our team Hack-2-Crackk has created this marvelous masterpiece of website for the problem statement of Time Capsule 2.0. Now you may ask, what was the problem statement? Well, let me give you an interesting intro about it. So, have you guys ever wondered what it would be like to see your previous generations? Or to revisit old memories? Or to unlock a secret message from the past? Then welcome my guys to Time Capsule 2.0. I am Tanishkar here with my whole team, and today we are excited to show you a simple and fun way to preserve your memories and share them with your loved ones. So, this is our website. Here, this is our most prominent page which the user sees for the first time. Here you can see this tiny green button. So let's click on it. And here it takes us to the login and authentication page. Here we have used Firebase to implement it. And as you can see here, we can see the option of sign in with Google. There are also two other options, but for the convenience and to keep the time management in our time, let's choose this option. So here let me just simply sign up. So I will use this mail ID here, and once we are done, it takes us to our now dashboard. Now this dashboard is unique for all the users, as the images you have is differs from one person to another. Well, you can share it, but that's a story of the later. So first here you can see there are five different options: stories capsule, image capsule, video capsule, audio capsule, and at the end my favorite part, the collab capsule. So let's start with the stories capsule. Here you can see we can simply add a story for in this database. Currently we are using Firebase database, and also we have used Superbase to have a variety of options when we are considering the scalability factor. So here we add a story. So what should be the title? What do you guys think? Well, simple. It's gonna be hackathon, so that when my future generation sees, they knew I did participated in a hackathon and it was a very fun experience. So let me write my story. So I was very young and handsome when I participated in this hackathon with my marvelous and intelligent partner, bracket, teammates. Now here I can log it for my future generation. So let's assume I save it for 2045. Assume it I would have my next generation till that time. Where is the option? Here it is, a little below, and here it is, 2045 March. Let's choose a date, 23rd, and we gonna set it to 6/12. Now we simply choose this date here, and let's do this. Now this is our chosen date, this is our story. When we upload it, as you can see, it states story uploaded successfully, and here we are. Now, this story is added with another of a hackathon story. Well, as you can see, you can't read the story part, only the title, as it is still locked. This one is for a little early, as it was in testing phase, but this one is gonna be unlocked in 2025. Well, it's also tomorrow, but still, here you can see it's 6:40 a.m. And now there are some unlocked stories. Hello, myself, Mead. I am Mead, and hello. Well, why not try to add one more? Like happy. I am happy. And this time, let's try different year. 26 June 8:15. Or maybe to show a demonstration, let's take to a closer date of 2025 February, uh, and time should be 6:14. Let's do this. And now it is our time. Let's upload the story, and it is also uploaded. But what happens when now it will show up? Here it is showed, but as you can see, it's on unlock in only 14 seconds. So let's wait and see what happens when the time's up. So till then, why don't we talk about something else, like how beautiful this website is, or about our efforts, our tears, our sweat, our efforts we did in this. So now I think the time's up. So let's simply reload it once and let's see the cycle revolve. And here it takes a little bit of time. Now, as you can see, there are only two locked stories. Where's the third one? And here it is. It is unlocked. You can see what was the story. Unlike this one where it states the story is locked, these ones are unlocked. Date added this, date unlocked, and this is happy. And now we can read this. What a marvel piece it is. Now let's see other capsules. But due to time constraint, I will not just go short about it. This is image capsule, this is video capsule, this is audio. As you can learn from name, this stores images, this videos, this audio. Now, one of our major features, collab capsule. What if you have a family and wanted to create a family tree? This is a 3D family tree, revolving and moving in jolly nature in front of you guys. As you can see, it is 3D and movable. Also, you can zoom inside of it. See? And on clicking, there is an option to add pictures. We were not able to find some pictures due to privacy reasons, or we would have uploaded it. We did it in testing phase. Due to privacy reasons, we can't show it, the photos of father and mother. And now we can also add it. For example, let's add uncle. Just name in Ramesh. And now we simply, let's add it. We have to use some other name like aunt. And when we use uncle is spouse, it's gonna add it to uncle. As you can see now, aunt is added to the uncle as a partner. As you can see, there's a red line connecting it. It's also part of this model. Now let's add a name to the aunt and let's give her a name. For example, let's call her sibling. And now you are gonna witness a masterpiece. Now when you click add, as you can see, if we zoom it out a bit, it auto connects here to another family tree. Like this is gonna expand infinity to this much space we have. We can zoom in, we can zoom out, and now we have created a whole family tree. It is up, down in 3D, in 2D, it is up and down. Now, do you think it's the end? Well, you were wrong. Well, due to some time constraints, we were not able to add it as a part of this, like complete part of this in this system. It is a part, but not in this system. But what if you ever wanted? This is a story, as you know. Once again, as you know, it is locked and it's only unlocked day after tomorrow at 6:40 am. But nah, I'm gonna read it early. So now what do we do? Well, simple, kid. You wanna play a game to know your father's history. So what is that game gonna be? Let's see it. So we have created this game with this cute little kitty in the middle. Now what is the game? Well, it's simple. Find four keys. Let's see. So let me search for the keys. Is it here? Iron key. One is this is one. Now three more. Here any? No, no luck. The WSD keys are for movement, E is for interaction. So display, any luck? No. This spot looks suspicious. Any luck? No. Well, we don't have a whole day to search for the keys. Oh, another keys. Now we have found it two keys. Let's search for more. Maybe we will find it one day. Let's search. This is a whole map. Interactable, every pot, everything in there. Like see, is key? No. Let's play. Every time we have found third key. Every time I found a key, a sound plays to and a icon pops up. Congratulations, we have found it all four keys. Now what's gonna happen? Well, nice guess. Let's go to a special place. Well, players have to search it generally, but I know the location as I was the developer with my team was supporting me all the way in the coding and the development, these models creation and the map generation, everything. Let's go slowly and steady. Where was it? Let me search a little bit. We can also add some features to this chest, to this monolith, and if I go above a bit, we can also add this feature to this statue. But for now, let's move on to the area I was talking about. So here, if you go here, this is one of maps. Let's see. Here we go. And as you see, there's an altar. Now, when you go to this altar, a sound plays, and as you can see, all the lights are lit up. Now, if I tell you, it see, you can move out, it goes out. Now, when you go here for the first time only, it works. This will glow up and player here the time will reduce. It doesn't reduce as we are not able to implement in this system it now, but it will reduce the time for few minutes, or we can also set it to hours. This will depend on the profile of the user, who how many minutes he's gonna let his future generation reduce. So that's how this game is gonna work. Now, there can be also multiple maps to it. It might look chunky and slow in this, but it's actually pretty convenient and moves pretty smoothly. It's because we are sharing it here, so I think it's pretty smooth on working, and we can also add multiple maps in it. So this was all that was there in our web application, and I hope you liked it. Thank you.